Namaskar.
Today in my kitchen I'm going to make sushi. It's a simple one, but I made a mess, but it tastes wonderful. Let's start making the recipe. As we don't find the Japanese rice here, but I'm using this Govindabhog rice which we get in West Bengal. It's a very small grain and very good aroma, and I'm going to pressure cook it with a little bit of salt. I have taken here round about 1 cup of rice grain, and I will cook it for 2 whistles with 3 cups of water. And see, it came out sticky one. You can use any kind of rice, the sticky one rice. Now to wrap my sushi, I'm going to replace seaweed with cabbage leaves here. I'm taking out cabbages, the leaves of the cabbages slowly, and I will use it as the wrapper instead of seaweed, as seaweed is not easily available in India. Now I will blanch my cabbage leaves in hot water for around about 3 minutes. I'll cover it till it gets tender or the color changes. And I have taken here some ice. After see the color has changed and it's become tender, it's transparent in color. I'm going to dip this in the ice bowl. After my cabbages cools down, I'm going to strain out the excess water, and in a kitchen towel I'm going to pat dry my cabbage leaves for 5 minutes. When it's dry, then I'm going to take out, slowly cut out the stem, white stem, which we don't need. It's a hard one. We need only the leaves, the soft one. Let's prepare the stuffings. I have cut here cucumbers into thin slices and carrots into thin slices. I have made a solution with 4 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 cup of water and salt. I have dipped all the veggies into this solution. I have made an omelette out of an egg, which I'm going to cut into slices, and some spinach I have blanched in hot water, and some prawns which I have sauteed in oil with little bit of salt. And I need the rice. Now the assembling. I have taken here a table mat. Normally in sushi they use a bamboo stick mat or a jute mat, but at home we don't have right now. I'm using a table mat and a hard plastic sheet. You can use any plastic sheet, a hard one. And this is a transparent sheet, plastic sheet. You can get in every shops, and the clean film wrap which you see. And I'm assembling my cabbages into it. See the way I'm doing, and this is the main thing, the wrapper. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. And you can follow me now on social media. The link is in the description box. And of course you can follow me in my other channel, that is Orchid Bakes. The link is in the description box for more baking recipes. Now I have arranged my cabbage leaves here, and I will wet my hand, and I will make a ball out of the sticky rice, and I will slowly press it and spread it over the cabbage leaf. After spreading evenly my rice over the cabbage leaves, I will make a part from the middle to arrange my stuffings here. I am placing here firstly the spinach, then juliennes of carrots, which I have dipped in the solution of vinegar and water and salt. This will make a pickle taste to our veggies, and soak it for about 15 minutes. And the eggs now. I was thinking for a long time that why can't we make sushi without seaweeds? So this idea clicked into my mind, and I thought, come, let's share. And I'm trying this for the first time, and I hope it will be very easy. See the way I'm folding it. I thought it will be tough, but no, it's not that much tough. You can easily fold it, because this is my first time, and see, I'm folding it. You can easily do it, and It really tastes good. And after folding it with the pepper, and see, I'm cutting it with a sharp knife, and I'm ready. My sushi is done. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do give a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends. And please follow me on my Facebook page. The link is in the description box for more recipes. And really, it is not that tough. Please do try. Just you need a little bit of concentration and patience. Good food, and it's a healthy one. Do try it, do make it, and see, it's lovely one. Thank you. Bye bye till then.